Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable SmartThings EV charger routines, full guide step by step. To disable SmartThings EV charger routines, begin by opening the SmartThings app on your device. Log into your SmartThings account if prompted. From the home screen, locate and tap on the Devices tab. Scroll through the list to find your EV charger. Select the EV charger device from the list. Once on the device page, look for the Routines option. Tap on Routines to view all sets of routines associated with your EV charger. Identify the routine you wish to disable. Tap on that routine to open its settings. In the routine settings, look for the option labeled Turn Off or Disable. Press the Turn Off or Disable option to proceed. Confirm your choice if prompted. Return to the main device page by tapping the back arrow. Check the Routines section again to ensure the routine is now disabled. Repeat these steps for any other routines you wish to disable. Once finished, exit the SmartThings app. Your SmartThings EV charger routines are now successfully disabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.